Good morning, kindergarten friends. This is Mrs. Phillips with another edition of your guidance special at home. So we have been learning about occupations. Remember, those are jobs or careers is another word that people do. And so it's important we talked about how it's important just to start thinking about the things that you like in kindergarten, what you're interested in, and to start learning about the different types of jobs that people do. And so this book that we're going to read today is called Clothesline Clues to Jobs People Do. So let's see if we can figure out what type of occupations they're talking about in the book. Look at the clothesline and see every clue. Who uses these things for the jobs that they do? A uniform and cap, an invite for you, big bag of letters. What job does she do? Think about it in your brain. Make a prediction. She is a mail carrier. I bet you have a mail carrier come to your house and drop off your mail. That's one of the most exciting parts of my day now is when the mail carrier comes. But maybe there's someone in your family that's a mail carrier as well. Think about if that's a job you might like to do. A milk pail and straw hat, overalls in blue, a plaid shirt, bandana. What job does he do? What do you think? He is a farmer. Look at all those animals. Maybe you like to work with animals, or maybe maybe you have a garden and you like to grow food. That's what farmers do. Oven mitts, apron, recipe for stew, puffy hat and whisk. What job does he do? Whisper to someone close to you. What do you think this job or occupation is? He is a chef. If you like to help a grown up in the kitchen and you like to make different things with ingredients, this is an occupation that you might like being a chef. A smock beret and brushes, paints of every hue, canvas and easel. What job does he do? Hmm. He is an artist. So maybe you like to draw or paint or color. Being an artist is an occupation that you might like to do. Coveralls, tool belt, work gloves and glue, safety glasses, saw. What job does she do? She is a carpenter. A carpenter is someone who works with wood and makes things out of wood. They might make like a table or chairs or a cabinet. So if you like to work with your hands and build things, being a carpenter is something that you might like to do. Heavy pants, helmet, wide suspenders too, rescue coat, long hose. What job does she do? Let's see, what's the job that she does? She is a firefighter. Maybe some of you would like to be a firefighter and help people if there's a fire. Spacesuit and jetpack, star charts to review, flight gloves and moon boots. What job does she do? Wow, this is a pretty exciting job. What do you think she might do? That's right. She is an astronaut. She's going to fly into outer space and look at all of her friends who came to see her off. Let's see if we can name what they are. We have in the front the mail carrier, then the artist, then oh, whoops, I'm sorry. That first one is the carpenter, the artist, the mail carrier, the chef, the farmer's back there in the truck, and we have an astronaut who's going to take off. These clothes are all clues to jobs people do. Is one of these jobs just right for you? And remember, there are lots of occupations to think about and lots of different things that people do when they grow up. And so think about maybe you like one of those occupations. Maybe you have another occupation in mind that you really like. So you could draw a picture of what job you think you might do when you grow up if you'd like to do that today with your family. And that's the end of the book, friends. So that was another edition of Guidance Special at Home. I hope each of you are well. And remember you could draw that picture of a job or an occupation that you think that you might like if you would like a little activity to do. And until next time, I hope you have a great couple of days and get some time to spend outside with your family. All right, take care. I'll see you soon.